The north is so beautiful. And the food, ooh, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your dambo shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
Alright guys, please be very careful. Don't touch the walls with anything, I beg. Hey, what happened now? Did you people crack this thing? I said you people should... 1, 2, 3... I don't think these things are complete. Hey, Jenwa! How many trophies? Okay, first of all, where's your daddy?
I'm here, my lord. Are you missing me already? Hmm?
Do you ever stop eating?
Me? Stop eating. When you make the best meals in the entire world.
Mind me, I'm looking for too many things, please, I beg. No, please don't. Just put it down. Yeah, we're not touching the walls yet. Yeah, that's fine. So we're good. Thank you guys so much. Thank your boss for the discount as well. Yeah, so that's fine. That's all. You've seen the alerts now? Because that's it all. Before I forget. Take care. Gosh. Finally. Honey, can you believe it?
We're here, huh?
We're here. Man, this moving has been so hectic. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. I like the lovely house and your promotion and all the things that it has come with, but man! All right, chop, kids, let's go. We have stuff to do. What is it?
No, we're not kids anymore.
Wonderful. So you're adults. When we are done in this parlor, everybody marches to the kitchen, to the upstairs to arrange.
Yes, everybody march upstairs to arrange. Listen to
you too, honey.
Yes. I was going to drop the...
Hands on your neighbor's shoulder, everybody.
I was not going to drop the plate in the...
I know. Just come like that. It's fine, Let's go.
Are you sure you really need so many hands?
No, it's fine. It's fine. Let's just go. Let's go. Good job, Mom. This is yours.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yes, so. And yes, if I'm not mistaken, this is yours. So you will try and let me see how it fits, Don't be jealous. No, adults. Look at. Baby, don't be jealous. Don't worry, I got you something. Okay, I got something for you.
So this is why I have been receiving steady debit alerts all through the day,
Well, it's time for us to start dressing according to our current status.
What status?
Why are you talking like this? You don't know that you're not a manager, His Excellency, Grand Commander of Akinyele forces. So just take a look at your governor. Oriako, just look at me. Was I this fine when you came to my father's house? Was my skin popping like this? Oh yeah, now they are just 2 outfits. Just help me try now. Hey, baby, as if you don't like them.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm fine,
go,
I'm fine.
Go and change now.
No, come now, sit down, show me, let me see that.
I have to sit down for you to show me now.
So that my temperature, my blood pressure... Oh, okay. So this is why I've been receiving alerts this morning. I'm angry again, I'm not happy.
Is that how I used to do?
All these things will reduce my blood pressure.
Just try now. Yeah, don't stress me.
I won't stress you. I like the color combination.
Then let me see the fit on you.
You want to see the fit?
Manager.
I pull off my clothes.
So there's this other X.
It's okay. Let's
let's
test this one first.
Yeah, now. What do you want?
What do I
Food is what I'm asking.
Well, I'm thinking pounded yam and egusi soup will not be bad.
For breakfast?
Yes, sir. Don't you know it's good to sometimes eat very heavy breakfast in the morning so you stay feeling full and energized
All I hear
all
is
day long.
excuses. I beg, next suggestion, please.
It is what it
Thank you.
is.
Thank you.
I want jollof rice.
Hey! People don't know that you have 30 plus mother. You eat bread and egg. Please check the door. Someone's knocking. I don't even know, safe whether. Did you know? Go and check the door now. Maybe I don't even know. Is it macaroni?
See, just no.
We'll find something.
Hello,
social,
neighbors.
Hi.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Okay. Hi.
My name is Mrs. Clark and I live in the opposite building.
Oh, okay. Nice. It's nice to meet you. Yeah, take a seat, please.
Oh, thank you. So, I noticed you moved in a couple of days ago and I just thought it right and appropriate to come and introduce myself.
You're welcome, madam.
Very kind of you.
Hello, lovely kids you have here.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
Okay, so I got some pie. I made pies this morning.
Oh, very, very nice of you. These look very sumptuous.
Thank you.
You know what will go very well with this? Some tea. Why don't I just put some on and then we can
Perfect.
talk. Mrs. Clark, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
It seems the neighborhood is quite quiet most of the time.
Yeah, very, very good place.
Oh, can't wait to dig in. Juju, please pass to your father.
This looks really nice.
Thank you.
Smells good.
Daddy, are you okay?
So I have lived in this estate the past 10 years and I can assure you it's a very good place to raise your kids. I hope you're enjoying your pie. Your pie? Thank God. You should try it with my famous Indian tea.
Okay. It's so good.
Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you. I'm happy you like it.
Lovely.
I should make some more.
It's all right. This is just fine.
Thank you, Mrs. Clark, for stopping by and for the snacks. We really enjoyed them.
Oh yes, thank you. We loved every bit of it.
Every.
You're welcome. See you around.
Oh,
Okay?
of course.
Come here, come here, come here.
Oh, okay.
Goodbye.
Yes. All right. Bye.
That woman's meat pie was horrible.
It tastes like garlic.
I can't argue with that one.
Nekuku, I think you should make that pounded yam so we can use it to flush our system. We may have just been garlic poisoned or meat pie poisoned now. We don't even.
Okay, that one. It was your face.
Well, what about your own joke? And why did you stop her when she offered to bring?
Momo, wait, you won't kill me.
Yeah, my bro.
Where is Juju?
Where's your
Juju?
Junior?
Did you say his name smart, Abby?
No, it's my turn.
Are you little babies? What is all this? Did I not even tell you to arrange this room? If you don't start arranging this room now, what I will do to you people? What I will do to you people, eh? Okay, move from Nanya. Oh yeah, start. I wonder who that is. Lay this bed and clear this place. Who's it?
Nneka.
Mrs. Clark.
Since you people enjoyed the previous one, I decided to make more meat pies.
Yay!
And guess what? This time around, with my favorite tea.
Yay!
Hello, Mr. Rotimi.
Hey! Hello, Mrs. Clark. Welcome.
With the pie, and she's brought more.
Oh,
A lot of it this time.
wow.
Aren't we lucky?
Yes.
I'll just have some water on for some tea.
Oh, please.
Yeah.
Oh, tea.
Tea.
Oh, she brought tea.
Yes.
Nneka.
Yes. I almost forgot.
I know, don't
Wow.
forget nice things.
Tea and meat pie.
AJ,
Yeah.
come downstairs.
Oh, they're fine. They're somewhere around.
I brought them
Yeah,
food.
that's
Meat
so kind
pie.
of you, meat pie. One of a kind meat pie.
I noticed you enjoyed the previous one.
Oh, yes. I never forgot about it.
So you are here. Are you next to clean the room? Junior, since your Amebo has brought you downstairs, you can join us eating Mrs. Clark's meat pie and tea.
Oh, it's not me and you.
Come back now. See his head.
How do you like your tea?
It's nice. It's nice.
I knew you like it. None of you seem to be enjoying your pie.
Oh, it's an Akinyele thing.
Yes.
We saved the
best for last. Something so nice, you need to appreciate it. Yes, savor the beauty.
Okay.
Don't rush it.
What he said.
Delicious.
Rumor has it that the estate hospital used to be a graveyard.
That's scary.
There's nothing scary about it except you're scared of ghosts. How are you?
AJ, what? Are you okay? Baby, are you?
What is wrong with her?
With all due respect, Mrs. Clark, you make horrible meat pie. And your tea would make engine oil taste like honey.
It's a joke that he...
It is turning my stomach.
Mrs. Clark, I'm really sorry. On behalf of my family, I didn't mean for the truth to come out.
It's okay. There's nothing to be sorry about. You shouldn't be sorry for saying the truth. It's fine. Maybe I should just stop making pie.
No, that's not... No, so your pie recipe was... It seemed okay. I think the fault was in the seasoning.
Really?
Yeah. You know what? Hold on. Yeah. Like I said, I think the fault was with the seasoning. Look, I guarantee you, if you use Onga seasoning, my sister, you will love it.
Really? Oh, thank you so much, Nneka. Thank
Don't
you.
Don't mention.
I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you.
Onga to the rescue.
You have more?
It's time for the verdict, guys. Mrs. Clark, are you ready?
I guess so.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, let's take a bite. Wow, this is delicious. This is really good.
God.
Wow!
Wait. It's the truth for real this time.
Abba, trust me.
This is for real.
This is really good. Yes.
What's the meaning of dips?
There.
I thought she said.
I don't want water. Team, don't be an agbaya now.
What do you mean about want in my life? This is sweet to be an adult.
Mrs. Clark, there you have it. That's your answer.
Thank you so much, Nneka. So from today, it's Onga or nothing.
Now you they tell me. Girl, I should be telling you.
Wow. And I love the way you made everything way the same. I love the way it is.
The north is so beautiful. And the food, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh.
It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your dambo shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.